Days to Heaven.
Good afternoon po.
Oo. Direct, you may wanna sit
saan
down
naupo
muna
sa
kay,
tabi ni Ariel?
kay Mahan. Beside Enchong po. Ayan.
Tumahimik ka pa eh. Diyos.
Okay, so at this point, Aaron, start na tayo ng ating question and answer. Medyo bilisan, alakasan natin kasi the people in the back couldn't hear us. Daw. Okay?
Yes, Mother EJ,
First
we have a
question.
question from Manay Ethel
Of
Ramos.
course. Tita Ethel as a question.
Ba't wala si Maha?
Paakyat na po. Galing lang
At ngayon, ang gusto kong tanungin si Janice at si Ariel. How does it feel to be a couple in this series?
Ako, I enjoy it. I thought at first it'd be uncomfortable. Actually, siguro the first day uncomfortable for me. But anytime makasama mo yung isang mahusay na artist, that's always a challenge for me. For me. Yeah, her reputation precedes herself. So she's very, very, very good. So.
Siya po si Flor de Luna, if I may remind
Alam
you
ko
lang.
Alam ko niya.
Ako? Oo, syempre, weird nung una. Weird talaga. Weird talaga paulit-ulit kung tinatanong, sure kayo?
Tinatanong ko rin kay Deo yun. Are you sure?
Medyo weird ng konti. But then, as actors, you need to get past that. Of course, you have to work hard at getting past that. Pero we did naman.
Thank you. Yung mga medyo senior stars na, how did it how did you find the acting of the young stars?
Ayan,
Mga kasama nyo. Lalo na si Pilar Pilapil at saka si Ronaldo and si
Tito Eddie.
And of course Eddie na nagkaroon na ng napakaraming mga awards for acting.
Well, I think they're very good. The young people nowadays have somehow developed the craft. I think they're very good. As a matter of fact, it is very hard for all of us to cope with them. I don't know if I can speak for Eddie and for Ronaldo, but I can speak for myself. That, they're always acting, parati silang nandyan sa telebisyon, parati silang gumagawa ng pelikula. So somehow, they have been able to really, I don't know, the word is like perfect the craft. Pero just like me, for instance, I have been acting for quite some time, but I'm not always there. I'm not always doing whatever they're doing. So it takes some time for us also to get adjusted to that. So they're quite good. They're quite good.
Okay.
Thank you,
Si
Tito.
Ronaldo, si Eddie kaya.
Tito Eddie.
Well, ako believe ako sa kanila dahil they come to the set prepared, they come on time, and they're ready to shoot. At ang mga luha nila, ang bilis pumatak. So, believe ako sa kanila. And I'm very happy to play father and lolo to them.
Talagang lahat.
Si Ronaldo. And
Tito
of course
Ron.
si Cherry Pie.
Masarap kasama sila mga bata kasi nakaka-relate ako kasi kaming mga bata.
Wow.
Okay kami, masaya. Masaya. Hindi, ibig sabihin, ganun ako. I feel young, so kaya okay kami. Masarap silang kasama.
Si Cherry Pie.
Tita, this is the first time that I've worked with Enchong. And of course, not with Zian and Kim Chu. Tama si Tita Pilar when she said that I think that the kids the kids nowadays or the young stars of today, they have a lot of opportunity or chances to really hone their craft. So ang maganda lang sa mga batang katrabaho po namin ngayon is their willingness or their parang working hard to hone the craft is coupled with good behavior and good attitude. I can say that for all of them. So it's really exciting to work with them sa scenes, ganyan. Yun.
Tita.
Thank you, ha.
Good job.
Sino ang gusto nyong emulate among your co-stars na older than you?
Okay. Let's start with Chong. Sa season performers daw na nasa kasama natin ngayon, who do you want to emulate? You look forward to being...
You look forward to being like them.
Like
him or
in
her.
the future.
Enchong, mag-ingat ka ng sagot.
Talaga nadiktahan na.
Hindi, sige, si Tito Ronaldo.
Nagkaanuhan na.
Hindi, si Tito Ronaldo. Kay Tito Eddie nung una, sabi ko, Tito Eddie, napanood nyo na ba yung trailer? Sabi niya, hindi pa. Tito Eddie, ang gwapo nyo, grabe. Kasi pero gusto ko si Tito Ronaldo kasi
Ako, hindi gwapo.
kasi dun sa napanood ko kasi yung Mistress eh.
Patay ka sa set ngayon.
Di ba? Napanood ko yung
Patay
Mistress.
ka, Encho.
Nakakaano pa rin si Tito Ronaldo eh. Bumo-benefactor, gumagayon.
Why not?
So mo yung maganda yung makita si Tito Ronaldo kahit sa mas bata, kahit sa kaedad. So gusto ko yung ganun one day.
Tapos gusto mo maging good looking ni Tito Eddie when you reach like 50, ganyan, mga ganyan.
Sana.
Oo.
Sana ganyan din kakapal yung buhok ko din.
Fresh na fresh pa rin, ano. Thank you,
Si
Dong.
Sian, si Sian.
Thank you, Dong.
Ako naman po si Tito Eddie naman po ako. Kasi, kinuwentuhan nga kami ni Enchong eh. Sabi ni Kim kasi daw mayaman. No. Kasi kinuwentuhan kami ni Tito Eddie nung story niya from growing up, nung while waiting standby area. And ngayon, looking at Tito Eddie, parang he has class, di ba? And he has good looks. Parang he has it all. So,
Lahat ba na kwento niya? Pati yung pagiging lapitin ng chicks? Pero lapitin yan. Ako.
ayun, pati yun. Pero hindi ka nakwenta yung part na yun sa amin.
Hindi na.
Yun. Tito Eddie.
Alright. Kim, of course.
Kim, paano ba yan?
Ay, naku talaga inunahan na ni Miss Pai.
Hindi ko pa nga nahahawakan yung mic ko.
Oo.
Ganito simple lang. O, paano ba yan?
Hindi pa nakakaangat na ganito, Miss Pai.
Nanay mo ako.
Sige, ang nanay ko po.
Persahan pala ito.
Hindi naman napilitan. Siyempre, nilook up ko talaga si Miss Pai. Ayan. Kasi parang wala po siyang arte sa lahat ng roles na ginagawa niya.
Di nga.
From before,
Naglaglag.
kahit binibigay niya yung best niya. Mapa-horror man yan, drama, kontrabida, mabait, inaapi, lahat tinatanggap niya. So gusto ko, ganyan din ako. Kasi nitong huli, parang nasa set kami, may pinakita siya sa aking itsura niya. Parang buong mukha ni Miss Pai, naka-prosthetics.
Ano
Tas
yun?
multo siya doon. Tapos ngayon, inaapi-api siya. Sabi ko, ay gusto ko rin ganun. Tapos nung huli niyang serye, kontrabida siya. So parang gusto ko maging versatile. Wow!
But you've worked with the great Pilar Pilapil and
Yes,
the very,
Yes,
Janice de Belen.
Kaya sobrang blessed kami na sa teleserye to, binigyan kami ng sobrang galing
I
and
know.
sobrang power cast na casting sa teleserye. Kasi dito pa lang, ang dami mo nang matututunan sa bawat ka-eksena mong artista. Sila pala, kahit hindi na sila nagsasalita, umaarte na yung mga mata nila.
May totoong ganun pala, Kim, talaga, no? Na-experience mo yon yung hindi pa uma-acting pero parang uma-acting na.
Opo, si Miss Janice.
Ganon.
Di ba, Miss Janice? Parang,
Naku,
ganon.
oo, mukhang matitindi ang eksena nyo, ah. Okay.
Kay
Si Maha? Tsaka wala pa pala si Maha, joke. Okay.
Kay Direct Don.
Yan, Direct Don na.
Kasi from the way it looks, ngayon pa lang, alam mo nang hit ito. What would make, kung ako ay frequent, viewer ng mga
Your job as a director is almost done. And I'm proud to say that with Ina Kapatid Anak, we don't just have the right cast, I have the perfect cast.
Direct libre ka namin.
Wow. Dahil dyan may mga scientists kayo from Miss Kylie. Just joke. Oy, nagtatampo si Jason Gaines sa wala daw gusto mag-emulate sa kanya. Kasi doon ka pa level ka pa ni Zian tsaka ni Enchong. Sa husay ng cast, sino ka talaga na-amuse na talagang pagka-eksena mo, Jason?
All of them.
Wow.
All of them.
Without batting an eyelash, all of them.
Amazing, mind-boggling. Thank you.